Ok. Chúng ta sẽ tiếp tục ôn tập lại cái từ vựng của trước nha. Let's review with me. Listen and repeat after me. Các em nghe và nhắc lại theo cô nha. Nhiều lần nha. Vocabulary. 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 Fantasy. 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 She is reading a book about a fantasy world. She is reading a book about a fantasy world. World. Mystery. 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 Future is always a mystery for everyone. Future is always a mystery for everyone. Mystery. Good. Scary. 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 This black spider is so scary. This black spider is so scary. Spider là con nhện các bạn nhé. Black spider, con nhện đen. Scary. Adventure. Adventure. They are having an adventure in the mountains. Adventure. Adventure. Author. 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 Jenny is a famous author. Jenny is a famous author. Novel. Novel. Novel.
She is writing a new novel for teenagers.
She is writing a new novel for teenagers. She is writing a new novel for teenagers. Mystery novel. Mystery novel. Mystery novel.
He likes reading mystery novels. He likes reading mystery novels.
He likes reading mystery novels.
He likes reading mystery novels.
Grow up. Grow up. My baby sister is growing up very fast. My baby sister is growing up very fast. Grow up. Find out. Find out. Find out. He finds out a new job in the city. He finds out a new job in the city. Okay, guys. Mystery. Fantasy. Fantasy. Mystery. Mystery. Scary. Scary. Mystery novel. Mystery. Grow up. Adventure. Novel. Author. Find out. Find out. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye guys. Tạm biệt các em nha. Nhớ luyện tập thật kỹ và nhớ cách tập viết từ vựng và luyện phát âm nha. See you next time.